Hello friends, today we are going to discuss functional organization. In last lecture we discussed that what is organization and what are the importance of organization structure in project management. If you wanted to complete the customer or client or purchaser project on time or timely and within their budget, so we have to follow the particular organizational structure. And there are different structures as available functional project and matrix. We are discussing these things in detail. So today we are going to discuss functional organization. This type relies on formal rules, procedures, coordinated plan, budget, fairly common, segmented by department and their function. It works well in repetitive stable environment. So generally this is the traditional approach which is to be followed by every organization. Okay, this is the example. CEO is there, and under that different manager are available: functional manager and functional manager engineering, functional manager for marketing, functional manager for sales, and functional manager for project. So in that their team are available. So individually functional manager engineering team is report only to the functional manager engineering, not report to the marketing, scale, sales and project manager. Okay, so every manager has their team, and that team only report to that team member or leader only, and that leader or project member or project leader is reported to the CEO. In that way functional organization, this totally depend upon only their functionality. That's why this organization, functional organization, is called as functional organization. A functional organization is the most common type of the three. It works best in small organizations in which the different sections are geographically close together and which provide only a small number of goods and or services. In a functional structure, the organization is broken into different sections based upon the specialty. For example, there may be one area of sales, one for customer service, and one for the supervisor who deal with the selected problems. The project manager role is to ensure smooth execution of processes and projects. However, the function manager has the most power and makes the final decision. Exactly, the project manager or function manager has the final decision. The types of functional organization are geographic differentiation, product differentiation, customer differentiation and process differentiation. The advantages of functional organizations are: an advantage to the functional structure is the role of functional manager, which means there is only one boss. Yes, exactly. Only one line of authority is to be there. This reduces or prevents conflict of interest and makes it easier to manage specialty. The advantages of functional organizations are clear line of authority, career development, comfortable and easy, technical expertise, flexible resource assignment. There are so many disadvantages of functional organizations are uh, no accountability over complete project, no project emphasis, low coordination across function, low delegation of authority, work delays due to red tape, heavy politics, lack of big picture view. Exactly, these are the few disadvantages of functional organization. So today we discuss the functional organization, what are the how in what manner they work, and what are the different advantages and disadvantages. Okay, that is for functional organization.